Okay, what I'm doing is basically grilling my onions. You could do it over an open fire. And the reason why I'm doing this technique, and I think I've shown you in a couple of my videos, is the reason why that I am doing it this way is simply because it brings the sweetness to the surface. And I lowered it, so I have it on high heat. I put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil so it wouldn't stick so much, and it just brings the sweetness to the surface. And then what I'm going to do basically is, let's see, put it in the pan with my tomatillos and allow it to finish simmering in my tomatillos, which is what I'm going to be adding to my posole. I have if you look at one of my videos, the posole, then you're going to see that that's a posole, basic. And then I'm going to do a little pipián, which you take some pumpkin seeds, you basically grind them up in a grinder, and this is what they look like. I'm going to make a pipián soup. It's going to be really rich, so it's got a lot of oils in it because it's actually a pumpkin seed. So you just grind your pepitos, your pumpkin seeds. You can find them at any whole food store. And you can find them, and then you could just grind them in a grinder. If you have a grinder, just grind them up. And then my peppers are sweating, as you see here. That's I think that's a pastillo. Can't remember if it's an ancho or a pastillo. Anyways, and then a couple serranos and a couple jalapenos. I already put one jalapeno in there. After it was cooked, I went ahead and I de-seeded it and chopped it up. And also, you want to make sure that your meat is it's taken out. I mean, the bones are taken out of the meat. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and I'll be chopping it up, slicing it up, and putting it in my tomatillos. So, anyways, okay, so I'm making a different type of pozole, which is a pipián. Alrighty.